Hello guys, welcome all to back my channel. So let's see the topic called precedence of operator. So I think everyone faced might be difficulty what is precedence of operator and how to operator precedences work, everything. So like how you people know, like we have also some rules about that, like for the arithmetic, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and our division. They have some precedence, like who is have the higher priority than others. Okay, so here also some precedences are maintained in our oracle operators that we'll see in this video. So please stay here till the end, then I will be show you like how these precedences work and what is the use of these precedents in our real life example, and how it's useful in our organization for the development purpose. So let's see. So see, this is the things of rules of precedences. So this is the order. Okay, so operators, order one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator in the sense, if your if your query contain SQL query contain plus, minus, like addition things, multiplication, subtraction, that will execute fast. This is the higher priority. Second one is concatenation operator, means when we are concatenating first name and last name. So in that case, this is the second priority. Third one is comparison condition. Comparison is less than, greater than. Okay, we are just doing equal, not equal. These are the comparison operators. Next is not, null, how use I'll tell you next session. But if like is contain or not and null and in operator like that, it's there, then it is the fourth priority. Fifth is between, sixth is not equal to, seventh is logical operator not, after that and or. So remember these things, like when in our corporate world, when we are working with big project, okay, that time what happened, no, sometimes we are getting one lengthy or big query, so we write that big query. Then when we are executing, we are getting output in different way. Our intention is something and our output is something. So why is that? Because our oracle database query that understand that this is taking with according the precedence of this operator. If you using in a single query, you used arithmetic operator, not logical operator, and comparison operator, and you are expecting output like that. But query will execute like first arithmetic operator, next is our logical operator, after that not logical operator, like that. This will automatically take care of that precedency. Okay, so how that happen, that we'll see with the example, and how it is implemented in our corporate world, that also I will be tell you. So see here one example. Okay, so this is my demo table. Okay, this is the demo table what I created to show you everything with deeply. So this is the demo table. Here it contain our first name and city, address, date of birth, last name, everything it is contained here in this table. So here I write one query like where first name is Raj or first name is Arjun. Okay, so here what happened, no, here it will give the priority and city is Hyderabad. So Hyderabad location, any person whose name is Raj or whose name is also Arjun. Okay, this is the or query. Or query in the sense either this or either that, any condition is matched, then that output you will be triggered. So here what happened, no, we get Raj and Arjun. This end means it's bound, like true. Okay, so city is Hyderabad, but what is our expectation? Our expectation is whose city is Hyderabad, means Hyderabad location peoples only. I need the first name, whose first name is anyway Raj or Arjun. Anyone have first means Hyderabad city. I need this record. But here what happened, no? Here my output is comes like this. See here its city is Bangalore, but Bangalore data how comes? No, here see this is the operator precedency. So precedency give the priority to end. End is the high priority then or. Okay. So here what happened? In our query also what happened, no? So this gives us the this end operator is the high priority then or. So first it executed with the Hyderabad location, then it is coming to our first name and last name. So first I get it the city whose Hyderabad and the name is Raj, that record I get it first. Okay, then again it is giving the priority to the or query. Or query in the sense first name is either Raj or Arjun, anyone, but city didn't check because first city checked, second time it's not checked, so that I'm getting like this output. But here I want only Hyderabad location, so how I will do? No, you see here at the last one point is mentioned you can use parenthesis to override rules of precedence. So here we can use parenthesis. So how will I use parenthesis? No, like this I give parenthesis like this, then we will only get Hyderabad ka data. So this people Raj and Arjun, these both are belongs to the Hyderabad location. So I hope everyone clear about that how operator precedences work. Operator precedence work the priority, who have the more priority that query will execute. If you want to avoid that, then use the parentheses to avoid your operator precedences. And how it's useful in our corporate world. Now, corporate world sometimes they give us big queries or complex queries, so we need to write our queries such a way that every condition should be matched. Or if we want to avoid this precedency, then we need to use parentheses. So thank you, and please share with them those are eager to learn SQL, and any doubt please comment me below. Thank you so much. Bye.